Hello friends, how are you? You are watching Mary Soch and we will talk about the Faisal Mosque. The Faisal Mosque is the largest mosque of the Pakistan. It is a national mosque located in the capital city of the Islamabad. It is the fifth largest mosque in the world and the largest mosque outside the Middle East and the largest within the South Asia. Located on the foothills of the Margalla Hills in Islamabad. It is gifted by the King Faisal of the Saudi Arabia. The mosque features is it's designed by the Turkish architecture and construction was started in 1976 after a 28 million grant from the Saudi King Faisal. It have 4 minar and 10,000 worships can hold prayers in a same time. Thank you.